Hello children. Children, in the previous video we have finished with the book exercises of lesson number 16. So now we are going to start with the question answers of this lesson. So take out your social studies copies, take out a new page, write the date on the left side of the margin, then write lesson 16 on the first line, then write name of the lesson on the second line, our environment. ENVIRONMENT. First of all, children, we will do the brain gain. There is only one word meaning in this lesson. So let's write. Number one is contamination. 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 The meaning of this word is making something impure. Making something impure. So children, we will start the question answers from this page itself without wasting any space. So write question answers here. Then question number one is, what do you mean by environment? What do you mean by environment? Question mark. The answer is the surroundings in which a person, animal or plant lives is known as environment. The surroundings in which a person, animal or plant lives is known as environment. Spelling of surroundings SURROUNDINGS. Now the second question is, what is pollution? What is pollution? The answer is pollution means any contamination of air, water, soil and environment. Pollution means any contamination of air, water, soil and environment. Then question number 3 is, write a short note on air pollution. Question mark. What are its major causes? Question mark. Write a short note on air pollution. Question mark. What are its major causes? Question mark. The answer is when harmful gases, smoke and fumes are released in the atmosphere, it causes air pollution. When harmful gases, smoke and fumes are released in the atmosphere, it causes air pollution. Full stop. Its major causes are, number one is fumes emitted from cars, buses, etc. Spelling of emitted EMITTED. Fumes emitted from cars, buses, etc. Second is cutting down of trees. Full stop. Then the third one is smoke released by factories. Smoke released by factories. Spelling of released RELEASED. Spelling of factories FACTORIES. Then question number 4 is, what is water pollution? Answer is when garbage from homes and factories is thrown in water bodies, it causes water pollution. Full stop. I will repeat. When garbage from homes and factories is thrown in water bodies, it causes water pollution. Full stop. Now the last question is, how does noise pollution affect us? Question mark. How does noise pollution affect us? Question mark. Answer is noise pollution can lead to headache and hearing loss. I will repeat. Noise pollution can lead to headache and hearing loss. Full stop. Spelling of headache HEADACHE. 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 Hearing, Hearing, Loss. So children, this was all there regarding the question answers of this lesson. I will show you the question answers once again. You just go through the brain gain and the question answers and write it properly and correctly in your copies without making any mistake, and better write in neat handwriting. Touch the lines and then write. This I have been telling you again and again. So better write in neat handwriting. So this was all there regarding this lesson. We have finished with this lesson today. Next week we will start with a new lesson. Till then, goodbye.